after complying the given 54 hours time frame karon nga semester, wala na ginamo si kiyang panahon nga mahatagan sila og recognition. Kay bisan todo observation ra og teaching assistantship ang ilang gihimo, pero dili gyud basta-basta ang ilang experience nga na-encounter sulod sa classroom. So mga parts uban ni ninyo sa among culmination program sa Field Study 2 karong adlaw.
I'd like to welcome you all in this very significant program.
This morning we're going to witness different testimonies of our FS2 students.
Mag-teacher dito. I told my student to write an essay titled The Greatest Challenge in My Life. And there, I was broke inside. You have to be mentally and emotionally prepared. And so, to answer the question, mag-teacher pa kaya ka? I would say...
First day, a student asked me, it was embarrassing. Sayop ko, the relationship between teachers and the students.
Bakit mo nga ba pinasok ang vokasyon ng pagtuturo? Nais ko talaga na ma-assign ako sa Silangan Agricultural School.
So, the moment that I stepped at SNAIS, nahadlok ko. Ako nga mapag-warm up. Nagulbukan ko. Ako, a very short-tempered person. Because I have this encounter na talagang din ako na yung learning hand-to-hand. Tuga-tuga ang maestra, hindi ka kabalo yung drawing. God knows how angry I am. I wanted to burst out.
One afternoon, naisunod mo sudyente, tiyabang tayo, niya nagklase na, sige nagyapon siya tiyabang. Teacher, what happened if we have 2 points? So na siya po! And as a future teacher, we need to always stay curious. Na naman, curious ang mga bata. So during the first day pa lang, naanay kahilak kay dili ginandaan sa mama. Na ako na siya na, Teacher Jovi, can you help me?
Sampai tadi, okay, kaya mama nagtawo ka, bali ako, anak ko. Okay, juga siya kung manugsulat ko lang.
Inahan sila of rewards para matuo sila.
Early childhood is the most crucial period in human development yun.